What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy Geek. So the question is that if you wanna ask me any question, my email address is in the description box below. So okay, the question is that why flagship phone are irrelevant? Okay, Huawei just announced a Huawei Honor Note 10 is like around 400 US dollar. You're getting more than 1000 US dollar. I mean, phone for only 400 US dollar. One of the best phablet 6.95 inch. I mean, flagship are becoming irrelevant. I mean, you can get much better value for money like on the mid level. That's why if flagship wanna become relevant, they have to lower the price or no one will buy flagship. You can get a good phone at $250 price, but then why should you pay even for a OnePlus 5 for a $500? If you can get an absolutely killer phone for $400 then why you should waste your money on a crappy phone like Galaxy Note 9 for 1000 bucks? You can get a Huawei Honor Note 10. It's Note 10, not Note 9, not the crappy Galaxy Note 9 for 1000. I hope you get the answer. Simple price. Money, 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 money determine. Money is saying the flagship are irrelevant right now. If you have any more questions, it was me, Jimmy. Make sure to subscribe and bye.